Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to give you homework. And the topic is Introduction of a dish. In this video, I will use some functions we taught in the previous videos and show my sample slides for you. And first, I will show my slides. Let me introduce Stinky Tofu for you. Stinky Tofu is called 臭豆腐 in Chinese. It's a famous Taiwanese dish. Because of its stink, some people don't like it. China is the space of its origin. In Taiwan, it's usually sold at night markets and roadside stands. Besides, Taiwanese stinky tofu is cooked with many methods, including frying, steaming, cooking in soup, and barbecue. Here are the 4 types of stinky tofu. After seeing these pictures, do you feel hungry? It looks very delicious, right? But how to make these slides? Let me tell you about it. Now, let's watch the sample videos. This is my introduction of Stinky Tofu. After typing some information about Stinky Tofu, I want to change the color of Stinky Tofu. So I go to Nippon Colors to find more colors. This is Nippon Colors. Well, I find the color I want, so I left-click on it. Remember its RGB color code, and go back to PowerPoint. First, highlight the words. Find Home from the toolbar. Left-click here. Choose More Colors. Left-click on Custom. Set RGB color code. Left-click on OK. And the font color will be changed. Also, turn to other slides to change the color. By the way, the color you used just now will be here. So just highlight the words and click on the color. You also can just click this icon, and the color will be changed too. If you are not familiar with this function, you can click the link on the upper right. After changing the font color, I want to put icons here and here to make the slides more vivid. So I go to the icon to download icon. I search delicious. I want this icon, so left-click on PNG and download it. Then search cook. Choose the icon I like. Left-click on PNG and download it. Now, come back to PowerPoint. Find Insert from the toolbar. Find Pictures. This device. Find the Downloads folder and double-click on this icon. Then adjust the size of this icon and put the icon on the suitable place. Again, insert the other icon on this slide. adjust the size of this icon and put the icon on a suitable place. If you are not familiar with this function, you can click the link on the upper right. Here, I want to put the picture in the center, so I left-click on it. Find Home from the toolbar, left-click on Arrange, Align, and choose Align Center. Then the picture will be in the center. If you are not familiar with this function, you can click the link on the upper right. Now, show the slides. There is still a lack of animation, so it seems a little bit boring. So now, I want to add animation on this object. Find Animation from the toolbar. Click on it, and choose this animation. Click on it, and choose this animation. You can click on it to choose more effect options, such as its duration, or its sequence. I want these words and the icon appear one by one automatically, so I choose After Previous on this object. Do the same steps on the 3 slides. Don't forget it. You can see the animation time to change the animation sequence, the way to start animation, and so on. For example, I want this icon appear previous, so I drag it to the front. Just design the animation you want to show. After designing all the animations, show the slide. And you can see the difference between this one and the previous one. This one is more interesting, right? If you are not familiar with this function, you can click the link on the upper right. By the way, don't forget to save your file. Now, it's your turn to introduce a dish for us. Just try it. After you finish your homework, don't forget to send it to our email. To know how to do it, see Lesson 11. See you next time. Bye.